National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 9:30 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain near Pottsville. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Minersville, Pottsville, Schuylkill Haven, St. Clair, Bury's Lake, Branchdale, Buck Run, Donaldson, Forestville, Friedensburg, Hectorville, Marlin, New Philadelphia, Warwicksburg, Pine Grove, Port Carbon, Reningers, Seltzer, Tremont, and Grissona. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.